Hello everybody, so today I will talk about the calculus. The topic today is about integral. We have the integral s, everything s power 2 plus 1 power 7 ds in here. So in this situation, we will use about integration by substitution in here. So we choose u is about s power 2 plus 1, and in here we have du is about 2s ds, but in here we have s and ds only, so we divide number 2 and we have du divided by 2 equal to s ds. 1/2 we put outside, and we have u will replace in here. That's about u power 7 du, so that we have u power 8, and we have number 8 in here, and we have number 2. That's about 16 plus c, and u in here we put back to s power 2 plus 1. And this is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.